Hello to all viewers. In today's issue, I'll tell you how we went fishing to catch crucian carp. We prepared bait, took tackle, bait, and came to the reservoir near our town. We fed the fish and waited for the bite of the long-awaited fish. But alas, another fish came which, as it turned out, there is a lot in this lake. They were dwarf Canadian catfish. They pecked on every bait and did not give the opportunity to peck another fish. But we were not disappointed because the main thing is not the catch, but the process itself and the pleasure from it. At the end of our adventure, a small field mouse came to us to feast on the remains of the bait. And finally, we released all the fish we caught back into the wild. Enjoy watching.